Imagine creating something once and earning from it over and over, while you sleep, relax, or even sip your coffee. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the thing. It's not just a dream anymore. With tools like ChatGPT and MidJourney AI, you can create and sell beautiful storybooks, all without needing to write a single word or draw a single picture. One day, I was casually scrolling through Amazon when I noticed something mind-blowing. Storybooks for kids were making tens of thousands of dollars. Some even hit six figures. My curiosity kicked in, and I thought, if others can do it, why not me? But the real challenge was coming up with an idea for a storybook that kids would love. So I opened ChatGPT and typed, "Give me a fun and exciting story idea for kids." And just like that, boom! The first suggestion was The Adventures of Leo and Luna, The Lost Treasure. I went back to ChatGPT and asked it to break the story into chapters. And there it was, a clear outline with exciting titles like Chapter 1, The Secret Map, Chapter 2, The Jungle Quest, Chapter 3, The Hidden Treasure. Each chapter was filled with thrilling scenes kids would love. I copied the first chapter title, The Secret Map, and asked ChatGPT to write it as a rhythmic story. Within seconds, it delivered a captivating tale, filled with rhymes and imagination. And the best part? If I didn't like a part of the story, I could tweak it or regenerate it. This is where MidJourney AI came in. Imagine typing a few words and seeing jaw-dropping images appear, ready to be part of your book. For example, I typed, "Two kids holding a glowing treasure map in a magical jungle," and MidJourney gave me several breathtaking illustrations. But I wanted all my images to look consistent. Here's the secret. You can paste the link of your first image into your next prompt to keep the style uniform. In just 30 minutes, I had all the illustrations I needed for my story. No hiring expensive artists, no complicated software, just creativity and AI power. But then, I thought, how do I turn these images and words into a real book? Enter Canva. I uploaded my illustrations, dragged them into a storybook template, and added the text I had generated earlier. Canva made it easy to format, style, and polish everything. In less than an hour, I had a professional-looking storybook ready to go. And here's a pro tip. Save your work as a PDF in high quality. It's perfect for publishing. Finally, the most exciting part. Publishing. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, lets you publish your storybook for free. You simply upload the PDF, add your book details, set the price, and hit publish. And just like that, your storybook is live for millions to buy. The best part? You don't need to worry about printing or shipping. Amazon handles it all, while you sit back and watch the sales roll in. So let's recap. Generate your story idea with ChatGPT. Create an outline and write the chapters. Generate stunning illustrations with MidJourney AI. Design your storybook with Canva. Publish it on Amazon KDP. That's it. With just a few hours of work, you can create something that earns you money passively. The potential is limitless. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's create and grow together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.